certainly in the area that we're going to focus on a little bit more here today, the communications to individuals, the litany's already starting. You know, you've got the W-2 that we had last year. It's going to have to come out again this year. They're changing what gets included in that a little bit. The form is going to refine. It'll keep refining over the years. Now we have a standard vocabulary and a summary of benefits that the feds have put out. Now, not all employers have to use it immediately, but again, it's geared around communicating to individuals information in a standard form. It's almost, this part of it, the summary of benefit, it almost reminds me of those labels that we all read on food now. You know, the calories and the this and the that and all that. This is sort of in that family of things that we're all going to agree on how to define certain terms that have been loosely defined up till now, and we're all going to get our benefits explained to us in a common way. It's an interesting experiment, but again, it's geared at the individual and communicating with that individual. There's a new notice that has to be put out about the exchanges that employers are going to have to communicate to their individuals. There will be greatly beefed up IRS filings in 2015 where each individual will have to be reported to the IRS with their dependents, Social Security numbers, all this other good stuff. So wait, there's more on the way, and probably stuff that you're thinking of that I should have listed here but didn't, and stuff that none of us can imagine that will come along. It's very clear that there's going to be more expectations placed on the employer to be the vehicle for communicating with the individuals that they're covering. So even though the role of the individual has been growing over time and increasing in importance, health reform, Obamacare, just upped the ante on that enormously. And I'd suggest to you that if you're thinking about health reform compliance, that keeping that individual perspective in mind does help make some of this make a little bit more sense.